launching their mini boats. An engineering design and development class at May River High School is making waves as students are testing out the 3D printed boats they designed.
Our objective is to create a boat and make it be able to carry a load across a distance on a track we built, and the loads are counted in pennies.
After learning how different types of boat hulls and their shapes affect the way a vessel moves through the water, students got right to work. They used computer modeling software to design their own mini boats, then brought those creations to life on the 3D printers.
I decided to make a double-hulled boat. Basically, I just decided to make two large areas under the boat where the water will be guided around, and it'll just travel through the water like that. I was able to carry 42 pennies without it sinking, and it was also pretty fast when I didn't have any weight on it.
I researched over the internet. There was lots of different types of boats, V-hulls, double or multi-hull boats. I decided to just go with a standard V-hull and try to make it sloped like most boats we see.
As the students test their boats, they're collecting data to compare what worked and what didn't.
Some parameters that I gave them to design a competition between the classmates to see whose boat could carry the most pennies. At 10 pennies, how long did their boat take from 0 to 9 feet? Also an empty average speed. So that way we could compare that data to find out which designs were optimized to do all that we asked them to do.
This project is making a big splash, pushing students to think and problem solve like real engineers.
I might make it a bit slimmer because it is kind of thick and there's lots of empty space, so I maybe would make it slimmer and just a bit shorter.
I made 2 prototypes, and I basically learned a lot from making the first one, that I needed to make it much bigger, much heftier so it could carry more, and I just learned a lot about the design process.
The water channel students are using for testing was built by 2 of the school's engineering teachers. At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.